Hello friends, this is Manak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our channel. So friends, today I am back with a west facing plan having dimension of 29 feet 4 inch into 32 feet 8 inch. So basically the ground floor built up area of the plan is approximately 958 square feet. It has two number of standard size bedrooms, one common toilet, one drawing room, one living cum dining area, one kitchen and one puja room in the best position as per VASTU. All other components have been placed in a position such that they meet all the space requirements as well as they are not in a wrong position as per the VASTU. So let's get started with the explanation of this plan. So friends, as you can see here, this is a west facing plot and the ground floor built up area is 958.22 square feet. And as we had told in our introduction, the dimensions of the ground floor built up area are 29 feet 4 inches into 32 feet 8 inches. So these are the dimensions of the ground floor built up area, and the components of the plan, as you can see, two bedrooms, one drawing room, one dining cum living area, one staircase, one kitchen space and one puja room. So these are the components. Now let us discuss about these components in detail. So the entry can be through this drawing room. We have one entry through this drawing room on the west side and another entry to the east side through the kitchen. So we have two entries to this building area. Now for the entry through the drawing room, the size of the drawing room is 10 feet into 12 feet and you can place your sofa as well as your TV set in this drawing room. So the guests can enter this drawing room and the privacy of the dining area, living area and other rooms are maintained. So this building passes in the requirement of internal privacy. Now let us have a look at the other components. After the drawing room, we have a common toilet here and dining cum living area. The dining cum living area is adjacent to an open kitchen of size 9 feet 10 inches into 8 feet. And we also have an entrance through the east side, that is the rear side. Now let us have a look at the dimension of this bedroom. So this bedroom dimension is 10 feet 4 inches into 12 feet. We can easily accommodate a king size bed, a cupboard, a sofa and even a TV set here. So this is a standard size bedroom, and the windows, if you see, windows we have provided a 5 feet window here. As you can see the door window schedule, we have provided a 5 feet window here and a 3 feet window here. So there is sufficient ventilation in this bedroom. The common toilet size is 6 feet 6 inches into 4 feet 2 inches. As you can see here, the other bedroom size is 12 feet into 14 feet. So these are the two bedrooms, kitchen. Now the puja room, which is also at the northeast corner, which is the best position as per the VASTU, the puja room size is 5 feet into 8 feet. So these were the building components, and the staircase, as you can see here, staircase is through the dining cum living area. Let us first discuss about the window and ventilators. The window sizes, two sizes of windows we have provided, 5 feet and another is 3 feet. So the 5 feet windows we have provided in both the bedrooms and as well as the living room. As you can see, this one is the 5 feet window in this bedroom, and here is a 5 feet window in this bedroom, and here is another 5 feet window in our dining cum living area, and we have all the remaining windows of 3 feet, as you can see here. Now the ventilators, there are two types of ventilators, that is another one of 2 feet and another of 3 feet into 3 feet. So the 2 feet into 2 feet ventilator we have provided at the toilet portion, and in the staircase at the landing we have provided ventilator of 3 feet into 3 feet. So these were the ventilators. Now we'll look at the doors. So doors of three types we have provided, that is the external door, this one is 3 feet 6 inches, and all the remaining doors of D1, that is the internal door of bedroom here, this one of this bedroom's drawing room, these are of size of 3 feet, and the door of the toilet is of size 2 feet 6 inches. So there are three types of door, 3 feet 6 inches for the external door and 3 feet for the internal door as well as the entry through the east side, and we have also given door of 2 feet 6 inches for the toilet. And if you want to know more about this door window schedule, that is the seal level, the window seal level is the bottom level of the window and the lintel level is the top level of the window as well as the door. So as you can see here, the lintel level is the same for all the doors and the windows, and the seal level, which is the bottom level of the door, is 0, and the bottom level of the window is 2 feet 6 inch. So the window will start from 2 feet 6 inch from the floor. So this is the door and window schedule, and we had also discussed about the components of this plan. And the major challenge of this plan was that it had a small area, that is 958 square feet, but in it we had to provide rooms of sufficient space, and we had to ensure that no room is at a position which is not favored by VASTU. So all the space utilization, ventilation and sunlight requirements are met in this plan. So friends, how did you find this video? Please let us know in our comment section. And another information is that Civil Center has brought all its services online. Yes. So if you are interested to make your plan, structural drawing, building estimation, 3D exterior view from us, please contact 6372-905-201. You can drop a message at this number in WhatsApp and our team will get back to you. All this information and contact details are given in our description. You can check. So see you guys. Bye bye.